All right, it is finally here, everybody. It is the day that we pack our pod and move to Atlanta. So I'm not exactly pleased with the move that I had, but overall, I can't be mad because I am finally leaving Nashville. And while I have some beautiful memories here and I've made some lifelong friends, it is definitely time for me to head east. So a little backstory on if you ever rent a pod, it takes about a week for you to actually get it. So I had, over the past couple weeks, traveled to Atlanta bringing some of my favorite belongings that I didn't want to risk getting broken in a pod, and just, the basics essentials. I know this looks like a lot more than the basic essentials, but, things melt. If you followed my journey, you know a big part of my success is a great breakfast to start the day. So here I am making breakfast in the new apartment for the first time. Now it's time to head to the movies with our cinematic crusader. Here with another titanium take, here's our movie maven Kai.
Hello, it is I, your movie maven Kai, and I am so sick. But since it is still Pride Month, I behoove you. Go watch something gay. Go watch Priscilla, Queen of the Desert. Go watch Tu Wong Fu, Thanks for Everything, Julie Newmar. Go watch something that is so wonderfully beautiful and queer, and enjoy it because we only have 1 month to do it, loud and proud and openly as we see fit, where everyone else wants to do it too. So go do that for us, do it for yourself. Do as I say, not as I do, because I'm about to write a paper, but get some rest. Drink your water, take your meds. I love you, and we'll see you next week.
Now it's time to head to Costco. Now this is the first time I've ever been to a Costco. In South Florida, I, for the most part, only went to Sam's Club or BJ's, so this was very overwhelming, but very exciting. So subscribe now, because I'm sure there's going to be some fun cooking adventures ahead. Hi, I am calling to schedule the cancellation of service for my move. It is finally here. It is pod delivery day. So basically I get to go from sleeping on my couch cushions used as a fake mattress to my real mattress. So this was a really exciting day, even though this is what it looked like when I opened the pod. Supervisor on duty. So after getting the approval from Finn, it's time to start unpacking. Alright, we have everything in. Slowly getting there. Forget about this.